24 divided by 3 parenthesis 4 plus 4. Try to solve your own and comment your answer to get teacher rank in the shortcut list. I will solve for those who don't want to solve or they simply want to check their answers. Okay, so we have there 24 divided by 3 times 4 plus 4. That will parenthesis. So many solve like this: 24 divided by 3, 4 plus 4, which equals to 8. And 24 divided by 8 times 3, which equals to 24. And 24 divided by 24, which equals to 1. Do you think this is the right answer? This is not the right answer because they are failing in this PEMDAS prep every time. They think multiplication crossword, so they will multiply this. But actually, multiplication division has the same priority, and in that case, we have the same operation. But multiplication division, we have to operate from left to right. Okay, we will rewrite our question here, so we will understand. It's PEMDAS. We will rewrite our question. 24 divided by 3, 4 plus 4. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis when multiplication and distance of 24 preference will be given to multiplication for the parenthesis. So we will operate with parenthesis first. 4 plus 4 which equals to 8. So we will write 24 divided by 3 times 8. Now as we have told, I have told earlier, there is two operations, both of the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. So first we will operate this division. 24 divided by 3 which equals to 8. So we can simply write it to 8 times 8, and 8 times 8 which equals to 64. So here right answer is 64, not 1. Okay. And if you're seeing it, then just check out our best Amazon finds in the description and like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.